What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over Fantom. Currently, we're sitting at 34 cents. We're sitting at market cap of 868 billion, and the 24-hour volume is sitting at 148 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback, and crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's Fantom on the daily time frame. So I do believe we've completed a 5-wave structure, and now we're putting in that ABC correction. If we pop over to the 4-hour, here's your impulsive wave 1 to the downside, corrective wave 2, and your impulsive wave 3. And now I believe we are going through that corrective wave 4 before seeing that last wave 5 to complete the ABC correction. And once again, see continuation on this bull market. So if we do zoom in here, does look like we put in a beautiful ABC correction, and we've broken down out of this bear flag pattern. So this could be our impulsive wave 1. We've gone through our corrective wave 2, and now we're looking for that largest wave 3 where we do a little something like this. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Our 5 subwaves within our wave 3. Complete our wave 3, look for that corrective wave 4, and see that final wave 5 that could take you down to that 15-cent price target. Now, to measure the length of your wave 3, you can take your Fibonacci from the bottom of the wave 1 up to the top, and usually you're going to land in between the 2 and the 2.618. So we can actually drop in a little box here in between the 2 and the 2.618. I'm just going to change the color. We'll change the color to yellow here. So if you see us start to lose this low for FTM coming in at about 34 cents, that's when you could see the continuation of the wave 3 that could take you down in between about 17 to about 22 cents in my opinion. If we were to bounce here and come all the way up and break this previous swing high, the wave C, it would invalidate that structure and we'd just be looking at a larger wave 4 correction in my opinion. But if we do end up breaking this low, gives you more confirmation that you are going to come down for that wave 3 within the larger final wave 5 and completing the ABC structure to bring you down right around that 15-cent price target. And the reason I've been mentioning 15 cents is it does line up with this previous swing low and some support in this area. So in between about 11 to about 15 cents, I do think FTM could bottom out. It's also the technical target of this bear flag pattern. So the confirmation that you're looking for is that we come down and we break the low of wave 1, and then we'll continue to come down to complete that wave 3. But if we were able to hold this support and we bounce and we come up and we break this wave C, we could be looking at a larger wave 4 correction. And if this were to be the bottom for FTM, we'd have to come all the way up and break the low of wave 1, currently coming in at about $1.06. But as of right now, we have put in an ABC. We've broken down from this bear flag and we've seen a back test. So if we lose this low of 34 cents, I would expect you to come down to this target range in between about 16 to about 21 cents. Create that wave 3, look for that wave 4 correction. See that final wave 5 to bring you down in between about 11 and 15 cents for FTM. That is it for this one. If you got some value, make sure to smash that like button. Check out the Discord. We have over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. We have the DCA trade strategy fully explained, the DCA charts, very simple method of trading, buy and take profit zones. If you want to start dollar cost averaging into your positions, and my exact entries, exits, take profits, and stop losses coming in at the $10 membership. You can sign up through the Patreon. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.